Find features that distinguish it from other brands for ICARZONE UR800 full system bidirectional scan tool. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Higher level bidirectional control. ICARZONE UR800 bidirectional scan tool offers exclusive actuation tests, outshining scanners that only test basic units like headlights, mirrors, windows, and wipers. Beyond above tests, UR800 can test more complex modules such as fuel pump electronic, fan control circuit, throttle valve control module, injectors, coolant pump, gear shift lock solenoid control circuit, tone sensor, and more. UR800 sends command to ECUs and monitor actuators working, locating fault fastly and more accurately, definitely a useful tool for car owners and mechanics. Please be kindly noted that services are not universally compatible, please contact us to check compatibility. OE level full system diagnostics, in-depth checking. ICARZONE UR800 with Auto VIN effectively works all cars for more comprehensive systems diagnostics. It reads/clears codes, provides ECU info. Displays 4-in-1 live data, PCM data stream. Special functions for most of available modules. Delivers deep, accurate diagnostics for engine, transmission, airbag, ABS, suspension, windows, BCM, ESP, A/C, TPMS, gateway, steering, radio and others, and run active tests to pinpoint issues fast. With the ability to graph up to 4 PIDs at once, you can spot performance trends and troubleshoot like a pro. UR800 gives you valuable car health insights to stay ahead of problems. ICARZONE UR800 bidirectional OBD2 scanner provides you with 49 plus advanced services, performing resets, relearns, calibrations, adaptations. One tool covers various solutions for all-round module repairs, including oil reset, throttle body relearn after cleaning, TPMS reset, injector coding, ABS bleed, SAS calibration, battery registration, EPB reset, TCM/ECM service, suspension, airbag reset, reset crankcase pressure sensor, stop and start, rain light sensor and more. UR800 can make your beloved car maintenance easy and efficient. ICARZONE UR800 automotive scanner offers one-stop solution to take your car maintenance or repair to next level, skip pricey dealer visits. Whether you need to calibrate power windows and reset seat motors for Porsche or VAG guided functions for VW, for Audi, for Skoda. Fine-tune engine fuel use, adjust fuel level, check fuel quality, calibrate VTG, match transmission fluid, clear alarm codes for BMW. Reset crash signal, reset EGR learning, fuel/air mix trim, airflow sensor adaptive, zero the brake pressure sensor, calibrate the rear diff module, DEM, and gear position sensor for Volvo and more. UR800 helps you easily finish your repair task. UR800 comes with advanced ECU coding for BMW, for VW and for Audi to optimize your vehicle's performance and to address more challenges such as installing new modules, or unlock hidden features after upgrades or retrofits, customization, enabling or disabling functions. Just remember to back up your data before coding. When installing or replacing modules, this feature is crucial to help you resolve CONFI.GU ration-related DDCs. Whether you're a DIer saving hundreds on repairs or a shop boosting efficiency, UR800 diagnostic tool is your ideal choice. Easy to use. With 15 languages, Spanish, Portuguese, and more, intuitive menu and easy navigation, this automotive scan tool is simple to use whether you are a beginner or a pro, ensuring efficient maintenance and troubleshooting. Wide coverage for 99% of the cars you'll see from the US, Europe, and Asia, making it versatile for multi-vehicle household, or mechanics. Get long-term value of lifetime free update. The update is convenient via Wi-Fi. 4-in-1 graphic live data helps you spot and analyze faults fast. A customized diagnostic report with customer info can show your profession and services. Lightweight and compact design makes it more portable and easy to store, without taking up space. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.